Have you ever thought about how the daughter of a non-believing leader, whose father was a fierce enemy of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, became immersed in the light of faith? The journey of Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, is a heart-touching story of faith, love, and sacrifice. This story will strengthen your faith and leave you amazed at how Allah guides His servants. Learn about the challenges Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, faced and the spiritually uplifting story of her marriage to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, was one of the blessed wives of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. She was the daughter of Abu Sufyan, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anhu, one of the chiefs of Mecca, and a fierce opponent of the Prophet, peace be upon him. But see how Allah's will works. Abu Sufyan's daughter, Habiba, and her husband had embraced Islam. Their acceptance of Islam caused deep sorrow and anger in her father's heart. Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, and her husband faced many hardships because of their faith. Eventually, they migrated to Abyssinia, where Muslims found refuge. During their stay in Abyssinia, Habiba, R.A., had a strange dream in which her husband's face was distorted. She saw this as a sign of trouble, and soon the interpretation of her dream became apparent. Her husband inclined towards Christianity and eventually apostatized. This was a great shock for Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, because she had already left her parents and homeland for the sake of Islam, and now her only support was gone. When the Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, learned about Habiba's situation, he sent her a marriage proposal through the king of Abyssinia, Najashi. Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, was overjoyed with the proposal and felt that her faith had been rewarded. Najashi himself officiated their marriage while the Prophet, peace be upon him, was in Medina. When Abu Sufyan heard the news of his daughter's marriage to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he remarked that it was indeed a great honor for his daughter to be married to such a noble man as Muhammad, peace be upon him. Later, Abu Sufyan once visited his daughter Habiba, R.A., at her home. The Prophet's bed was laid out in the room. When Abu Sufyan attempted to sit on it, Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, quickly folded the bed and refused to let her father sit on it. Surprised, Abu Sufyan asked, "Am I not worthy of this bed?" Habiba, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, replied that it was the bed of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and a polytheist could not be allowed to sit on it. Habiba's, Razi Allah Ta'ala Anha, faith and determination serve as a shining example. The Prophet's marriage to her was not only a gesture of kindness but also a message to the Ummah that every relationship is valid only under Allah's pleasure. This story teaches us that the journey of faith is not always easy, but trust in Allah and love for His Messenger, PBUH, can get a person through any hardship. The life of Habiba, R.A., shows us that true success lies in sacrificing everything for the sake of Allah's pleasure. If you liked this video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so that similar inspiring stories continue to reach you.